Lauren's drawing show. So today I am going to show you how to draw an envelope. The things we will need are something that we can color with, like colored pencils, a piece of paper, and a pencil. The first thing we are going to do is put a dot right here, and then a dot a bit below it. And then about twice the length of these two dots apart from each other, we're going to put a dot over here. Then above this dot, we're going to put a dot here, and then we're going to connect them all. Next, we are going to put a dot a bit above here, like up here, and then we are going to connect them like this. And then we are going to do the same thing down here. And then we are going to make this go down to here and here. Then we are going to draw a little box up here, like up to about here, and then these lines we are going to erase. Next, what we are going to do is erase this line right here. Then we are going to color it in however you want. Now we are done drawing the picture and it should look like this. You can add more details or color in different spots, different colors if you would like. Drawing time over.